All right, people, you have been asking me what is happening and what is going on in Bytnex, but I just want to let you know that Bytnex usually go into maintenance without informing anybody in Bytnex. And I want you guys to get used to this. If you are in Bytnex with me, they don't give any prior notice before they will go on maintenance. And guess what? The maintenance can last for many days, right? So if you have been trying to access the back office of Bytnex and you are getting this site can't be reached, then you should know that they are on maintenance. Sometimes you get the error 403. They are on maintenance as well, right? So please don't panic because we've got nothing to lose here, right? You just have to be calm and wait for them to finish the maintenance they are doing, and we will be able to log back in and access our funds. All your contracts are still intact. Your daily earnings that comes every day as a result of your staking, that will still be available for you, right? So nothing has changed. Everything is working in the back end. It's just for us to access the front end that is not possible at the moment because they are doing maintenance. How long are they going to continue to do this maintenance, or when are they going to complete the maintenance? That is the big question mark that is at the end of this thumbnail. Nobody knows. All we know is they will finish the maintenance and the site will come back. So please don't panic. If you are looking to join Bytnex, you hang on until when the site is back and then you can join. If you are already in Bytnex and you want to withdraw your money, for example, your referral commission, or your contract has matured and you are looking to withdraw, wait for them to come back from maintenance. You will be able to make your withdrawal. For those that are looking to deposit and purchase more contracts, don't worry, they will come back. You will be able to carry on with the normal deposit, normal withdrawal process, and checking your back office, right? That is what is happening for those of you that are asking. When they are back, I will let everybody know that they are back. I hope that helps. Thank you and God bless.